Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing this MI Band 4 from the house of Xiaomi. So Xiaomi actually launched this in September of 2019, but then they again changed their design. So this one which I have, this is of Jan 2020. So let's find out what's inside the box. So actually when MI launched this smart band, it was with a different design. So this one which I have, this is the updated one of Jan 2020. So let's see what's inside. So this is the charger. So the thing is, you have to just place the watch in the socket which is provided here and connect it to the PC or an adapter if you have one. So this is the user manual which has a QR code of the MI Fit app. So this is the MI Smart Band 4. So actually this strap can be used on the MI Smart Band 3 as well. Yeah, and this is the sensor. These are the sensors. 3 sensors down here. So let's take a look at the specs now. So this is a MI Smart Band 4. It comes with a touchscreen AMOLED display and has a screen size of 0.95 inches with a max brightness of 400 nits. It also has the single touch wake up power off button, and all this is packed beneath a 2.5 density tempered glass that has the special anti-fingerprint coating. It has also got this removable wrist strap which is also compatible with the MI Band 3 straps. Talking about the sensors, it has got a 3-axis accelerometer, 3-axis gyroscope, a PPG heart rate sensor and a wear monitoring sensor. It has the sports function which has got 6 workout modes: treadmill, exercise, outdoor running, cycling, walking, pool, swimming, count steps, distance and calories burned. It also has some health monitoring options such as workout completion notifications, goal setting, sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, all day heart rate checking, resting heart rate chart and idle chart. Some other features includes the dedicated weather app, notifications, so you will receive all your notifications from your phone on this device, then do not disturb, alarm clock, music, stopwatch, timers, find my device, band display. So band display is where you can customize your band skins and settings like brightness, lock screen settings, and of course the device information with factory reset. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like, share and also the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye.